Assalamu alaikum, namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. I thought everybody will be at home relaxing and it's the best day to go out and practice. Well, practice makes you perfect, right? Yeah. Also, I want to talk to you about two very important issues. Well, kind of. There are two main things I want to talk to you about, so stay tuned and I'll talk to you about them at the end of this video. I have to concentrate on my riding. Well, the good thing is there is no traffic out at this time. The time is like 7 a.m. So I thought let's go and do the practice quick as possible. By the way guys, today is the World Cricket match between India and Pakistan. So advance congratulations to who's gonna win it. Well, somebody have to win it and somebody have to lose it, right? So whoever wins it, congratulations to you guys, and whoever lose it, don't be disheartened because it's just only a game. Yeehaw! Oh no, I hate the red lights. Go. Oh no, don't come in front of me now. Not good timings. Don't look at me like that. I know I'm a learner. Oh gosh. Oh, I hate these humps. Right, look left, then look right. All clear? Keep going, keep going. Yay! This is the best place to come and practice, guys. Wow! Beautiful! Yeah! Okay, this is practice. This is what is called practice, I suppose. I'm practicing how to turn right and left. Time to go back. I think it's enough training for today. See, this was the best day I have picked up to come out because I knew there will be less traffic because of World Cup match. Alright guys, I wanted to talk to you about two things. One, I have mentioned in my previous clip that I am going abroad, which I am not going anymore. And the second is, wait, come on. Oh no, I hate the red lights. And the second thing I wanted to talk to you guys is that on my last video, some people did leave negative comments. So guys, if you don't like to leave positive comments, then please don't leave negative comments, because they are really painful. If you stab someone with a knife, that wound will heal up. But if you stab someone with bad and crucial words, that is really painful. And please avoid, if you can't give me positive feedbacks, don't leave a negative feedback. And if you don't like to see me what I'm doing, okay, don't watch my content. YouTube is full of other beautiful contents, so go and watch them. And this is it for today guys. If you liked my clip, give a big smash up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, chill out, enjoy the match today.